Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of EDU 600. I hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving break. You're rested and ready to go for the remaining 2 official weeks of the class, and then we have another week for the writing of the paper. So I'm going to have a quick video here to show you what is involved with week number 13. I'll give you a quick preview of week number 14 for those that want to take a look at that, and a couple other housekeeping items. So getting right to the materials in week number 13. Now, where is that located? It's located always, in our content area. I clicked on that, so it was on the screen. So for those that do not know, some of these pictures that I post on a weekly basis, this is Popham Beach, which is in Phippsburg, Maine. It's about 20 minutes from my house. It's one of my favorite walking beaches in the entire state. So this week, we're going to take a look at practitioner or action research. What are the steps in conducting this type of research? I'd like you to read chapter 13. And then the action items, I'd like you to read one of the following articles. We have these 2 up here. We also have 3 more up there. Once you read one of those, it really doesn't matter which one you pick. You might want to click on them and see what it's all about. But once you take a look at that, I'd like you to participate in the discussion forum. And the discussion forum, once I make it available, will be down in this area. So I'll do that right after I record this video. So these are the articles. I'd like you to critique the methodology, the data analysis, and then conclusion. What are the strengths and limitations, and how do you improve the study? So any other comments that you also have. So do your initial post, and then I'd like you to comment on everybody else's post, or at least 2 students' post. So that is really it for the week. If you have any questions on the materials, you're having trouble accessing anything, please let me know. Now I'm going to quickly switch gears. I'm going to go down here. So here we are. Here's where all the materials are for week number 13. And now I'm going to click on, okay. I made these materials available for anybody, so if you want to take a look at that, that would be fine. This is just a preview of what's coming up in our last week. Really, it's geared towards the final review of the paper, the matrix, and then I say an action research proposal. It's more just a couple of paragraphs on, if you were conducting some action research, what would it be? So you don't need to, we'll talk about this a lot more next week. It's not a major part of the paper, but it's just part of the final assignment. So in here, all kinds of information on the final assignment. I've also posted videos on what the assignment is about. Take a look at that. The final review, if you click on the final review, you're going to get to even more materials. Now, once again, I just wanted everybody to to know that this was here in case you want to look over at the fence or look over the fence and see what's coming in the last formal week of class, which is week number 14. So beyond that, I will end this video. I want to wish you back from Thanksgiving break, and if at any time during this week you need help, you have some questions on the matrix, the comments that I provided, please shoot them my way. I'm here to help, and I hope you have a great week back. We'll see you online.